In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Charcoal Rock Soft in Krita. Open Krita and press B to switch to the brush tool. Open the brush presets docker on the right side, search for Charcoal Rock Soft, and click the brush to select it. Charcoal Rock Soft is useful for creating rough, textured strokes with a soft charcoal effect. It works well when you need natural shading, soft blending, and textured details in your artwork. Adjust the brush size using Shift plus Drag, or the size box in the top toolbar. Use larger sizes for broader areas and smaller sizes for details. Control the paint flow by adjusting opacity. Lower it for softer, lighter strokes, and increase it for stronger coverage. If you use a drawing tablet, apply light pressure for thinner and lighter strokes, and heavier pressure for thicker and darker strokes. Use this brush when creating sketchy textures, shading, or adding soft charcoal-like details. Drag the brush slowly across the canvas for more visible texture and smoother results. Build up your strokes gradually with multiple passes instead of applying too much pressure at once. And that's how to use Charcoal Rock Soft in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.